Imagine waking up in a world where your smartphone doesn't exist. Not because it's lost, but because it's inside you. Imagine a world where death is just a data transfer away from digital immortality. We are standing at the edge of a revolution that will make the last century look like the Stone Age. By the year 2050, the line between human and machine won't just be thin, it will be gone. Are you ready to see what's coming? Forget typing on a keyboard or staring at a screen. The future is silent. Experts suggest that by 2050, nanobots will bridge the gap between our neurons and the cloud. Through brain-computer interfaces, or BCI, your mind becomes the ultimate processor. This isn't just about Googling things faster, it's about evolution. Imagine a student solving complex quantum physics equations instantly, or a designer thinking a 3D model into existence. Gadgets will become relics of the past. If your brain is the hardware, why carry a phone? But it's not just the digital world changing, it's the physical one. We've seen 3D printed shoes and small houses, but by 2050, this technology goes macro. We're talking about printing entire transportation systems and complex machinery at the push of a button. If open-source blueprints become the norm, the global economy shifts. We could see 3D food printers solving hunger in regions devastated by climate change. However, this power comes with a dark side. When anyone can print a weapon at home, how does society stay safe? It's a balance between total freedom and total chaos. What if goodbye wasn't permanent? By 2050, we might treat the human brain like a hard drive. If we can map your memories and consciousness, we can upload them. Imagine preserving the world's greatest minds, scientists, artists, philosophers, inside advanced humanoid bodies. While medical science might finally conquer cancer, the real question is, who gets to live forever? New tech is always expensive. Will immortality become a luxury only the elite can afford? On the streets, the steering wheel is going extinct. Fully autonomous vehicles will turn cars into mobile living rooms. No more traffic jams, no more human error. And for long distances, the Hyperloop will make crossing a continent feel like a short subway ride. This entire ecosystem will run on 100% renewable energy. Companies like Blue Rise are looking at the thermal energy of our oceans to replace fossil fuels forever. We aren't just changing how we move, we are changing how we power our planet. While we fix Earth, we are also leaving it. By 2050, a vacation to the moon or a job on Mars won't be science fiction. It will be a career choice for many. But back home, AI will be running the show. Half of today's jobs will be gone, replaced by systems more efficient than any human. Education will flip. 70% of degrees will be digital, taught by AI educators who never tire. We will live in the metaverse, socializing and working in a perfect digital reality while our automated homes take care of the rest. 2050 sounds like a dream to some and a nightmare to others. But one thing is certain, the world is moving faster than we can imagine. The tools we build today will define whether 2050 is a utopia or a challenge we aren't ready for. What part of this future excites you the most? Or does the idea of a connected brain scare you? Let us know in the comments below.